My name is Chifundo Kokwa. I come from Malawi in Southern Africa. So I work for an organization called Schools and Colleges Permaculture Program in Malawi. The reason why we work with schools is because when you're trying to introduce a new concept like agroecology and permaculture that people did not know before, it's always a risk, and farmers are not willing to take that risk initially. So if we demonstrate it at a school, the school land does not belong to anyone. So if they see how it works at the school, 85% of our country does agriculture, but our curriculum or our school curriculum does not promote agriculture or even agroecology. So we want to reverse the curriculum.